1 minute. Cindy, your skin protection is very strong, right?
Huh?
It's very strong, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you broke it before?
Yes.
It's the second
Yeah.
time?
Third time. Morning everyone, happy Friday. I'm Cindy. Now it's summer, so when you get into the car, don't you feel hot? And when you're sitting in the car, don't you feel the sunshine is too bright and too strong that made your eyes feel uncomfortable and your skin's like burning on a hot day? So here we want to introduce a product to you. It's called window size sunshade cover. It comes with two in the package. So this sunshade cover could help protect your skin and eyes from the harmful UV ray and could lower the temperature by blocking out the sun. Alright, so that's when you're getting into the car or sitting in the car, it won't be too hot on a hot day. Okay, let me show you how to use it. Very easy. Okay. So you see it is two clips. Okay. Just click the suction cup. It comes with suction cups on. Okay, and attach it on the window. Yeah, actually it's pretty firm, pretty tight. Okay. Yeah, so if you want to close it, just click the button on the sign. Here you go. Alright, don't you think it's a nice thing to have in summer? Especially you have a long trip with your family or friends. Or if you're an Uber driver, don't you think it's nice to have for your customer? Alright, this is Cindy's Life. Hope you guys like this product. Please like and share, and thank you for watching. Bye!